Locate a suitable point to mount the thermostat, approximately 1 meter above the floor and away from heat sources. Drill a 10mm hole. Feed the sensor wires through the hole. Plug the wires into any of the sensor sockets. Push down into the hole. The sensor is now discreetly fitted. Remove the fascia with the trim removal tool and remove the 4 corner screws. Switch off the unit and use the trim removal tool to ease it from the hole. You will need to plug the sensor into one of the empty sockets, Remote Sensor 1 or Remote Sensor 2. Remote Sensor 1 is for the bedroom and Sensor 2 is for the sofa. Locate the temperature sensor cable and insert it into port 2, the sofa. You can now gently push the control panel back into place. Carefully press to ensure it's correctly inserted into the hole. You can now replace all 4 screws. Place at diagonal corners to prevent cracking. Press the cover on starting from the bottom to the top. Turn on the monitor and select Menu and then Settings. Select the temperature icon and then right scroll to the sofa icon. Press the return button twice and menu to finish.